Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 17 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app that will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now what we need to do is to open the settings. So just tap on this gear icon. Now let's tap on languages at the top and here tap on add keyboard. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So all you need to do is to scroll, find your language and tap on it. Now choose the region. And here we've got the keyboard layouts. So basically all you need to do is to make sure that the option you want to use is marked. In my case, it will be this one, and tap on done. So we just successfully added the language. And before I'll show you how to remove the language from this list and from the keyboard, I'd like to share with you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So here we've got our keyboard and we've got a new icon, the globe icon, thanks to which we can change the layout. So now we've got English, and after tapping on the globe icon, we can switch the language. Tap on it again and again English. Moreover, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So in order to remove the language, you need to open the settings again, tap on the languages, and here tap on this settings icon or edit icon in the right upper corner. Mark the language that you want to delete and tap on the trash bin icon here. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.